English Shorthand Advanced Phraseography Section Start. As if it were, by which it was, if it is not, if it be not, if it were, in which it is, in which it has appeared, of which it has been, of which it must be, able to make, able to think. I am able to think. I am unable to think. We are able to make. You will be able to. I cannot be. I cannot say. I cannot see. I hope you will not. I may not be. I shall not be. I trust not. I was not. You cannot. You may not. You must not. You should not be. You were not. You are not. I would. If it would be. They would. They would be. They would not be. We would. Few words. In our words. Many words. At any rate. At all times. At some time. At the same time. From time to time. Some time ago. Stop. Section 4. Start. Above there. Over there. Before there. Before there is. From there. As to be there. As been there. How can there be? I'm sure. I'm sure there is. I believe there will be. I have there. I have been there. I know there is. I know there is not. I know there will be. I see there is. I think there will be. I wish there were. If there. If there is. If there is to be. If it be there. In their case. In their opinion. In their statement. In which there is increasing their value. Making their way. More than their. Pending their decision. Shall be there. Then there are. They have been there. Though there is. Upon there. We have there. We have been there. Where. Whenever there is. By some other means. Some other. Some other way. Some other respects. Or some other. In other words. In order. In order that. In order to. My dear sir. My dear madam. My dear friend. My dear fellow citizens. Again, some words only. Start. More than there. Pending their decision. If there. If there is. Above there. Over there. I will there will be. As if it were. I trust not. You may not. You should not be. Able to make. Of which it must be. Able to think. I cannot see. I may not be. I shall not be. Some time ago. From some time. At the same time. At all times. Many words. They would be. I would. You are not. From time to time. Some time ago. Stop.